Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sideways Obsession. Today, I'm going to take you along with my process on detailing this 350Z. This is my drift car, so it's like my project. It's just a hobby of mine. I do it on the side every once in a while, but today I'm actually going to take the time and do it to my Z. So follow along and see the process of this thing coming back to life. Alright, off video, I just washed the car with Dawn dish soap to get all the old waxes off. Now I'll be moving on to the clay mint. Then after that, I'll be using the advanced kit from Adams. Most important part is the ceramic coating with the applicator pads. It also comes with the surface prep, a boost for when you're washing your vehicle, and a towel with some gloves. Now let's get detailing. Alright, now that I'm done with the clay mint, after using this detail spray, I went through a lot of it very fast. So I just switched over to a bucket with some soapy water and it worked great. The clay mint was very good compared to normal clay bar. It was super easy to use, super quick. I got done with this vehicle in about 35 minutes of clay mint, and the paint feels really slick. So I think I'm ready for some polish. With the polish that I'm going to be using is Chemical Guys V36 and V38. This paint is not too bad, as you can tell by some of the reflection. There's a little bit of swirl marks, but not too bad. I'll be using my dual action polisher. Here's that model number for you in case you guys needed to get one for yourself. It's not too bad. I had this for a couple of years, detailed a lot of cars with it, had some really good luck. Now, I'm gonna put a time lapse on while polishing this vehicle and we'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. and now that we're done with detailing the car, I just want to give you guys a quick look around. But before I take you around, I just want to say thank you for sticking around. If you like these videos, give it a like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications. Also down in the comments, please let me know what you guys would like to see in the future. Again, this is my drift car. So I go to drift events, I do detailing, I do installs, I do removals, I do replacement of parts. So again, down in the comments, let me know what you guys would like to see. I'll give you a quick walk around inside and out. But for now, thanks for sticking around.
Get down in the car, once I give it all, bust it open hard, let me see it drop. Get down in the car, once I give it all.